Samsung Galaxy Buds Fe review, smart, comfortable, and truly wireless. If you're looking for wireless earbuds that offer both comfort and smart features, the Samsung Galaxy Buds Fe are worth considering. These sleek white in-ear buds are designed with a secure wingtip fit, making them ideal for long listening sessions at home or even during workouts. One standout feature is Live Translate, which lets you hear real-time translations through the earbuds when paired with a compatible Galaxy phone, perfect for travelers or chatting with friends in different languages. The Active Noise Cancellation, ANC, helps block out background noise, letting you focus on your music or calls. Thanks to Auto Switch, the Galaxy Buds Fe seamlessly transition between your Galaxy phone, tablet, or laptop, so you never miss a call while watching a show. The touch controls are intuitive and responsive, and if you misplace your buds, SmartThings Find can track them on a map. With up to 21 hours of battery life, including the charging case, these earbuds keep up with your day. Pros: real-time language translation, excellent noise cancellation, comfortable, secure fit, seamless device switching, smart location tracking. Cons: full feature set only with Samsung devices. No wireless charging case. The Samsung Galaxy Buds Fe combine intelligent features with reliable comfort, great for everyday home use or on the go. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.